Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and those who are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarbani and thank you so much for being here. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every single time I upload. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about my top 5 products under ₹100. Yes! So I filmed this video before, I think 1 month ago, and the footage is really bad, so I don't want to upload that. So you will be see two different background because the product close-up will remain the same, the before one. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first product I have is from TS. This is Nail Enamel from TS, and I love this nail polishes. They are so good, so pigmented. Love this nail pens, and they are retail for 85 rupees, and they are so good for that price. I loved it, and they do not chip really easily. I do my whole household work on my own, but they chip on me, I think, after 3 days. So it's great, and no nail polishes remain on me for that long in that price range. So these are really good. If you are looking for nail paints in budget, you can give this a try. And the next product I have is from Nivea. This one, Nivea hand cream, Glycerin and Aloe Vera variant. They have 3-4 different variants from this range, and I absolutely love this range. These retail for 95 rupees if I'm not wrong. 90 rupees. These are for 90 rupees, and they are so good, you guys. And they are so moisturizing, although they are not sticky, not oily, which I love. I do not like that feeling, and I love this. I love this. If you are looking for a moisturizer under budget, you can give this a try. Highly recommended. And the next product I have also from Nivea. This one is Nivea Soft Tropical Fruit in the variant. I love this, guys. I love this so much, especially the fragrance. Oh my god, it straight up smell like, you know, the summer tropical vibes. I love this fragrance so much. The most important thing is this is really good moisturizer for this price range. This is retail for, I think, 90 rupees, 85 or something. Yeah, this retail for 85 rupees if I'm not wrong. All the products details will be listed in the bottom bar, so make sure that you check it out. I love this moisturizer. This is so lightweight. This is not heavy. Not that I do not like that heavy moisturizers. I love this kind of a juicy, lightweight texture and this fragrance. I loved it. If you are looking for good moisturizer in a budget, please give this a try. And the second last product I have is from Pantene Pro V Open Hair Miracle Oil Replacement. Now this is really miracle product. You can use it so many different ways. Everything about the product, all the instruction, how to use it, how many ways you can use it, everything written on the back of the packaging. You can take a look. It is oil replacement. You can use it before shampoo. You can use it like a serum. You can use it like a conditioner. You can use it like a heat protectant. You can use it so many different ways. I loved it. I like to use it as a heat protectant. I have that frizzy hair. I can't even tell you guys. I have so much frizzy hair, so it really had to tame that down. So I love this product. It's retail for 95 rupees, and in that price range, this is really great. I love this product. If you are looking for heat protectant, if you're looking for oil replacement, you can give this a try. And the next and the final and the fifth product I have is from Vaadi Herbal. This is in the shade Mint. I have already talked about this product in my channel. I absolutely love this product. This retail for 53 rupees. This is the bara size, and you can get I think 35 rupees for the small one. I love this, guys. This, the minty flavor, this is so moisturizing on your lips. This is amazing. If you are looking for a lip balm in that price range, please give this a try. Highly recommended. I love this stuff. And yeah, that's a wrap for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoy. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click that notification bell so you guys get notified every single time I upload. And don't forget to thumbs up this video, and let me know in the comments down below whatever you have recommendation for videos. Please let me know, and if you tried out this product, please let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and all the product details information I will list it down on the bottom bar. Please make sure that you check that out, and I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.